Perched high on a hill overlooking Ipacaraí Lake in San Bernardino, Paraguay, the Horizon House, designed by Aldo Cristaldo Kegler of the architecture firm Bowen for himself and his family as a summer house that made of black screens, glass and concrete. The geometry of the house is super simple and basic, which makes it quite mysterious. The house appears to float above the rugged topography, which gives it lightweight look. One way the house takes advantage of the view is by having an accessible green roof filled with grasses. The swimming pool wraps around one of the home's corners, overlooking the horizon. The rooftop, which is accessed by a ramp, has a path that leads to a seating area on a metal platform. The rooftop patio furnished with a pair of low day beds, and you can see the surrounding landscape and views of the water from it. The house features black screens that wrap around the exterior, which can be folded or pivoted open to reveal the interior, while also providing security when closed. The folding panels open up to allow the interior spaces to communicate with the outdoors. The home opens up to a covered patio that wraps around the house, while an infinity-edge swimming pool wraps around the corner and meets a wood deck. The interior of the home has an open floor plan, with a casual lounge area by the pool. The center of the house brings together the main social areas like the living room, kitchen, and dining area. A corridor encased in glass and sliding panels separates the indoor spaces from the outdoor areas. From the inside, the folding panels let some of the light and views into the living area. The concrete flooring and the ceiling give the interior a modern industrial feel. The kitchen has an open ceiling that brings sunlight in from above. Here's a look at the floor plan of the home.